Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download PUBG on your iOS device. To download the popular PUBG application on your iOS, first of all, open your App Store. In the search box, type in PUBG and search. Look for this application from Tencent Mobile International Limited, and then tap on the Get button or the Download button to start downloading the app on your device. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID credentials, Face ID or Touch ID to start the download process. Wait for a couple of minutes and the application should be downloaded on your smartphone. That is how you download the popular PUBG application on your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like and share for more upcoming tutorials from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.